And good morning, boys and girls. Hi, boys and girls. This is Uni 2. Vote for Uncle Al and all of today's updates. Thank you, Uni. Enough for the comedy. Hi, I'm Uncle Al. Everybody recognizes the big top hat, and everybody says, Uncle Al, why don't you run for office? Well, Uncle Al's sick as hell and tired. Now, if you notice, a lot of the candidates, there's 12 of them, don't have two extra fingers, but they're coming October 15th to Ohio. I'm sorry, Ohio, but you're plagued with a lot of Democrats. That's why you have pollution in your water. Now, this is an update. If you don't like Antifa or the Democrats or liberal Republicans or idiots in office, the swamp, go Viva Uncle Al. You could spray paint it, write it in chalk, put in little stickers. If you see a flyer for Antifa, write over it with a Sharpie, Viva Uncle Al. Okay, that'll drive them nuts. And it didn't hurt anybody. And I'm trying to get up on this. Now, I hope you can see that. That's my friend Hubble's cat. If you're tired of people giving you simple answers and strange quotes and stuff, vote for Uncle Al. And this is Hubble's cat. Please check out his channel. Who do you trust, Uncle Al or this guy? Yep, that's old number 2. You need a new replacement. Okay, folks, let me take off the hat. Yes, Uncle Alan has gray hair, if you kind of notice. It's thinning a little bit, but I have my tricks. And I do use a couple of solutions to grow hair. First thing, don't wear a baseball cap. All right? Wear something floppy so the air goes through. And massage your head with shea butter. And you have this nice kind of floppy mess over here. Okay, now we have Kurt's channel 2, asymmetrical preparedness, typical American, Kurt, her Mary, city prepping. Now, city prepping did a real good one on global warming. I keep telling people on global warming, it's a rubber band effect, and I don't have a rubber band here. Maybe I could find one. Okay, we'll use that one. Okay, remember what I told you on weather. Go check out my weather playlist. All credits go to the original creators, sorry. Now, this is what's happening to our climate. Now, right now, because of mankind's stupidity and certain problems with the solar system, our climates like this are heading that way. We're having fire. Now, what will happen if we have the slam effect? Now, a lot of you kids don't understand this, but if we have global warming, this is what's going to happen afterwards. Okay, let me show you it again. Global warming. Okay, easy as pie. We get the slam effect. Now, a lot of you kids like, well, Uncle Alan, I don't understand that. That means the magnetosphere and a certain other things and mankind's stupid pollution will cause the axis to shift. The North Pole will be in Hudson Bay. We'll have the Great Northern Seas, which used to be the North Pole. Antarctica will change its ice mass. And some areas are going to be bloody desert, and other areas are going to be total Iceland. It's going to be glaciers you wouldn't see, like, gee, I didn't notice the glaciers in Montana and Idaho. At least we won't have the volcano exploding. Or is it Montana? I can't remember. Anyway, a lot of people think Uncle Alan's crazy and nuts. Well, that's a lot easier solution than what old number Hubble's cat's telling you about in this. Okay? Go check out Hubble's cats. It's a long title. Climate Change Prepper Channel. go check out old number 2. Okay, and we got city prepping. That's where we left off. And then we have preparedness veteran from the UK. Hey, preparedness. And then a new one, a friend of Will Patriot, is Prescott Caliber Club. Now, Will and Ryan from Prescott Caliber Club did a real nice thing, and they need this guy right here. This channel is at 267 supporters, so go over there and help them out. Okay? They're 2 great guys, and I like the great state of Missouri. Now, if I look at my notes, Making Money and Uncle Alan's Nightmare Part 2. Okay, the only one that's left in the future after 2025, still on American soil, not America with a K, and not socialist or sold out to the evil corporations, is Missouri. And what's sad about it is they get hit by everybody. Communists, foreign powers, the UN, our socialist troops. And I have still nightmares about that. And I like Missouri. Okay? You name it, zombies, dope heads. You know, it's like, I like Missouri. I like to move there, but I see what's in my visions, and I'm like, hell no. Okay, Uncle Alan's old and retired. You got young people like Will Patriot and Ryan and all you guys, you could fight the 183 million bad guys. Uncle Alan's going to call it quits, and he's going to retire. Then we got K-Fab, K, and Kim, Kalis Enoch, and David Lynn. You're on the right track. I do recommend skim milk. It lasts longer and doesn't have an expiration date. Also, it's good for your heart. Uncle Alan has heart trouble. Okay, and Winging It with Irish Colleen. Try looking into quail. They're a lot cuter and they can sit on your shoulder. And Lori Jean. Yeah, it's going to be another long one. Yeah, we got Palmetto Prepared. Anthony. Now, Anthony, I think you're in South Carolina. Let me get my hat on. Okay, there's Anthony. Now, you have to be careful because this tropical stream that's coming up from the South Atlantic into the eastern state, well, it's bringing all sorts of diseases, like Legionnaires and tropical diseases. Who has leprosy? Okay, and that's hitting North and South Carolina. So be really careful. Wash up. Use Perel and make sure you have some kind of mask. Okay? And let's talk about prepping. That's Tyler channel. I have an old Sterno stove, Tyler, and I've been using it for the last 40 years. Even in my Air Force day. Okay, and then we got Cheryl Hirsch, DUI Fund. Everybody go over to Cheryl and help support her with cash, gifts, and stuff. She's having a real hard time now trying to figure a way to get her out of that stupid trailer park into a nice house. And David Lynn. Yep, I always repeat that. And Prepping in Progress. Yep, that Pulling Through was one of my favorite books. Hubble's Cat thought was a really bad Western, but I like it. Okay? Pulling Through, and there's other things. But you also should go with the classic, Prepping in Progress. Okay? Sorry, this is going to be a long one. Like Robinson Crusoe, Swiss Family Robinson, Mysterious Island, and my all-time favorite, Treasure Island. And then we have Reed's channel, which is Manifestation of Imagination. Okay, today I'm in my politician outfit and not in my crazy mad scientist coat. And yes, I am that mad. Also a little upset too. And then we have DIY Solar, Get a Grinder, and More Rice. Long grain, not brown. Okay, Rice and Bean makes a complete program. Food program. And if you add lard to it, it's complete. Now, why the grinder? Uncle Alan don't have teeth. So it's a little hard chewing on rice and beans when you don't have teeth. Now there's tricks to rice and there's tricks to bean, DOI solar. And Uncle Alan knows how to do it. Okay, I forgot. And then we got Urban Grandpa Prepper. Okay. You're doing good. Just got to test the water sources. That's the big point. You live in Ohio, so we don't know what's discharging or coming in from Lake Erie. Okay. And then Budget Bushcraft RV Life. Okay. Now, van life, RV life is really easy if you know what you're doing, and there's tricks to it. And also, I'll show you how to make money if you're doing that lifestyle. Now, Uncle Alan's retiring. Uncle Alan doesn't want to do the rat race and all the insane stuff of what people are doing because Uncle Alan's really tired. Also, vomiting blood doesn't help. Okay. It's October. We're talking about fats and cooking oils. Now, fats and cooking oils is going to be a big problem in SHTF. Now, you get a small half bucket. That's 2.5 gallons of lard. Or you get oils. Now, each product has a shelf life. And each product, you have to be careful. Now, I don't recommend Crisco. Crisco during World War I is a submarine grease that the Germans used, and after the war they sold it to Americans. Hey, stupid Americans, buy this wonderful cooking product. It's submarine grease. That's why you get that weird shine on your metal surfaces. Duh. Okay, fats and oil for October. That's what we're going to talk about all month. And I'll get into it later. And don't forget, this is for one person for 1 year. 250 pounds of canned foods, 750 of dry goods, 300 pounds of bulk fluids, and you need 365 gallons of water. That's one person 1 year. Now, a lot of people said, I got lakes and streams, and I got the swimming pool out there. No. Think. Okay, there's a lot of swimming pools in Arizona, but I wouldn't drink that water. Of course, if I have a guided counter, I'll try and look at it and figure out, gee, do I want to swim in a nuclear-powered swimming pool? Okay, we got Prep 4 in Canada. Sorry about that. You're going to have snow, kids. And then we got, who is it? Wasteland Prepping in Scotland. You're getting some, how can I say it? Cold rain, warm rain. It's kind of, the Atlantic current's acting kind of hinky. And we got our friend Will Patriot. If you want Second Amendment, or let's see where I put it. Uncle Alan runs out of room. Getting old. Bill of Rights, Second Amendment, you go check out Will Patriot. Remember, folks, without the Second Amendment, it's a cornerstone of the Constitution. A lot of people forget about that. They'll trade it for something else. That means all African Americans, all Hispanic Americans, guess what? You become a Smurf. Or become a slave again. Now, get that through your little heads. Okay? That's Will Patriot's channel. Please sign up. I got your back, Will. I got to figure out, got to remember how to make $1,000 a day. Right now, in my income streams, I'm trying to figure out how to restart $1,000 a week. Unfortunately, Uncle Alan's sick and only has half a brain. And then we got Modern Refugee. Your soil still stinks and you're in Michigan. And you have to be really careful because half the place is radioactive. And let's see, we got Betty Boo's Homestead and Decor. That's Dana's channel. That's good old-fashioned Americana. You gotta think, okay? Now, why do I always harp on water? Water is the easiest prep to screw up. And you got fracking in Oklahoma. So I'd be really nervous. You don't want to, like, one day get the fresh spring water, it's on fire. Excuse me, folks. This is going to be a long one. Sorry about that. Then we get Angry Pirate News. Go check him out. If you want to see what the hell the other side, the ultra left and ultra Democrats and ultra kooks, you need to write down, Uncle Al for candidate. Yeah, I'll vote for Uncle Al. Okay, we got 12 candidates and still they don't have a good thing to ask for anybody. And we got West Wind Survival. He's hard at work getting his degree in history. Don't get brainwashed by the kooks. And then we got Prepared Norseman. On grouse in your area, you're supposed to revitalize the breed. You can't be blasting away at little birds, martins, and stuff. You got to reintroduce it into your environment and put food crops out there for them. Okay, and then we got Ethical Prepness. I always like his channel. And I love this channel. He came back finally. Cooking Preparedness 101. You got to check it out because a lot of people don't cook outside because Uncle Alan's stupid as hell, stubborn, and mean as hell. So if I can't figure out a way, I'll figure it out. Okay? So kids, if you're tired of all this malarkey, Donald Trump, Democrats, far left, vote for Uncle Al. I'll catch you later, folks. Yeah, if you don't vote for Uncle Al, he's probably heading to Canada. Just a rumor, folks. I will not hit, well, maybe. I don't know about Canada. Canada's kind of nice, but it's cold.